What if your outdoor dining set could look just as sharp in the middle of winter as it does on a warm summer evening, without you lifting a finger to maintain it? That's not a stretch when you're working with the right materials. And today on Prime Abode, we're reviewing a set that makes exactly that promise. The Winston Porter Outdoor HDPE Poly Dining Set Seats 6 handles every season without complaint and brings a refined, timeless look to any patio or backyard space. If upgrading your outdoor dining setup has been on your list, you're going to want to watch this one through to the end. Let's open with the foundation of this set, because the material is really what separates it from the sea of look-alike patio furniture out there. This dining set is constructed from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, a heavy-duty polymer that's long been the material of choice for commercial marine furniture, industrial outdoor installations, and high-end poly furniture collections. Unlike wood, which warps and rots, or powder-coated metal, which chips and corrodes over time, HDPE is molecularly stable across temperature extremes. It doesn't absorb moisture, it doesn't oxidize, and it doesn't break down under UV exposure the way cheaper plastics do. Winston Porter reinforces that foundation with 304 stainless steel screws throughout, the same corrosion-resistant grade used in marine and food-grade applications. What that means for you practically is a set where the joints stay tight, the structure stays solid, and nothing starts looking tired after a season or two of real outdoor use. This is foundational quality, and it shows in how the set holds up over time. Beyond the material story, this set has a visual identity worth talking about. The design language is modern minimalist. Clean lines, a smooth surface finish, and a proportional silhouette that integrates naturally with a wide range of outdoor aesthetics. Whether your patio runs contemporary and curated, or relaxed and traditional, this set doesn't impose itself on the space, it settles in. The chairs are where the design gets particularly thoughtful. The crossback configuration isn't just a visual detail, it's a functional one. That open lattice across the back panel promotes airflow, which makes a genuine difference when you're seated for extended periods during warm weather. Prime Abode is always looking for the details that improve daily living. And the crossback chair design is exactly the kind of quiet upgrade that turns a good dining set into a great one. 6 chairs around a full rectangular table also means this setup is genuinely suited to family meals, dinner parties, and long outdoor evenings, not just occasional use. Now let's talk about what this set is built to endure, because this is where HDPE furniture really earns its keep. The set is fully waterproof, UV resistant, frost resistant, and rust proof. And with HDPE, those aren't marketing claims tacked onto a spec sheet. They're inherent material properties. UV stabilizers are compounded directly into the HDPE during manufacturing, which means the color integrity is maintained from the inside out, not just protected by a surface coating that can wear away. You're not going to see this set fade to a chalky, washed-out finish after a summer of direct sun exposure. Rain, wind, frost, even snow. The material remains dimensionally stable and visually consistent through all of it. On a drizzly evening, you don't need to rush to cover everything or bring the chairs inside. The set simply doesn't need that level of intervention. For anyone who has previously owned wood or metal patio furniture and spent time sealing, painting, treating, or replacing it, the shift to an HDPE set like this one is genuinely liberating. One of the most underrated selling points of this set is how little it asks of you once it's set up. The smooth HDPE surface doesn't trap grime, doesn't stain easily, and cleans up with nothing more than a damp cloth or a light rinse. There's no seasonal maintenance routine involved. No sealing, no oiling, no rust treatment, no touch-up painting. It's the kind of outdoor furniture that earns its place in a busy household, precisely because it demands so little. And structurally, it delivers where it counts. Each piece in this set is rated to support up to 350 pounds, approximately 159 kilograms, which speaks to the robustness of the build and gives you real confidence in everyday use. Whether you're hosting a large family gathering or simply settling in for a long weekend meal, the set is engineered to perform reliably under genuine load. As always on Prime Abode, we give you the honest picture. The strengths of this set are substantial. Exceptional material quality, true all-weather performance, a timeless design that suits multiple outdoor styles, a generous seating capacity of 6, structural durability backed by marine-grade hardware, and a maintenance profile that's about as close to zero effort as outdoor furniture gets. The crossback chairs add both a design flourish and a practical comfort benefit, and the overall build feels like a long-term investment rather than a seasonal purchase. On the other side, it's worth knowing that HDPE furniture carries more weight than aluminum or thin resin alternatives. So if your setup involves regularly moving or repositioning your outdoor furniture, that's a factor to plan around. The minimalist design is broadly versatile, but if your outdoor space leans heavily decorative or ornate, the clean lines here may feel understated relative to your existing aesthetic. These aren't flaws. They're just fit considerations worth thinking through before you buy. The Winston Porter HDPE dining set is the right answer for a very specific kind of buyer. And if you fit this profile, it's hard to argue against it. If you live in a region with variable or demanding weather, heavy summers, wet winters, or genuine frost, this set was designed for your conditions. If you entertain regularly and want furniture that seats 6 without compromise, this delivers the space and structure for it. If you've been burned by outdoor furniture that didn't last more than a couple of seasons, the HDPE build is your long-term solution. And if you simply want a beautiful outdoor dining space that maintains itself, this set genuinely changes the calculus of what outdoor living can look like. It's ideal for families, for frequent hosts, for homeowners who treat their outdoor space as a true extension of their home. Prime Abode exists to help you build a home that works harder and lives better, indoors and out. The Winston Porter HDPE Poly Dining Set fits squarely inside that mission. It's a well-engineered, beautifully designed, genuinely weatherproof outdoor dining solution that removes friction from your outdoor life and adds lasting value to your space. The affiliate link to explore it further is right below in the description. Go take a look and see if it belongs on your patio. If this review gave you a clearer picture of what to look for in outdoor dining furniture, do us a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps Prime Abode reach more homeowners making these kinds of decisions. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time. We cover home and outdoor products with the same level of depth and honesty you got today. And leave a comment below. What does your current outdoor dining setup look like? And what would you most want to upgrade about it? We read every one. See you in the next review.